Number 21. Turelar 5-in-1 Immersion Blender Set. Originally $59.99, now just $35.97. Why buy 5 separate kitchen gadgets when one tool can do it all? This versatile set blends soups, chops vegetables, whips sauces, mixes smoothies, and handles countless other kitchen tasks. The interchangeable attachments save space while giving you serious flexibility. And at 40% off, it's one of the best kitchen bargains on the entire list. Number 20. FTW 6-foot Outdoor Folding Table. Originally $57.99, now just $41.90. Need extra table space for a cookout, garage sale, holiday gathering, or backyard party? This heavy-duty folding table sets up in seconds and folds flat when you're done. It's sturdy, portable, and useful for far more than just special occasions. At 28% off, it's one of those purchases you'll end up using far more often than you expected. Number 19. TUMELLA Windproof Travel Umbrella. Originally $63.99, now $39.98. A cheap umbrella usually lasts until the first strong gust of wind. This one is built differently. Designed to resist flipping inside out, it's compact enough to carry daily while still providing serious protection when the weather turns ugly. At nearly 40% off, it's a small investment that can save you from getting soaked all year long. Number 18. Dental Ultrasonic Retainer Cleaner. Originally $49.99, now $35.97. If you wear retainers, aligners, dentures, or mouth guards, keeping them clean can be a constant battle. This ultrasonic cleaner uses high-frequency sound waves to remove buildup from places brushing can't reach. Simply drop your dental appliance inside, press a button, and let the machine do the work. Cleaner gear with almost zero effort. Number 17. 4-tier plastic storage bins. Originally $48.99, now only $31.95. Let's be honest, most garages, closets, and storage rooms could use a little organization. These 4-tier storage bins help keep everything neatly sorted while making items easy to access whenever you need them. At 35% off, they're a simple way to eliminate clutter without spending a fortune. Number 16. OlarHike Compression Packing Cubes. Originally $49.99, now $32.96. Frequent travelers already know how valuable packing cubes can be. This 10-piece set compresses bulky clothing, keeps your suitcase organized, and helps maximize every inch of luggage space. The result? Less stress while packing and a much better chance of fitting everything into a carry-on. Number 15. AILBTON String Light Poles. Originally $59.99, now $39.99. Want that beautiful backyard lighting setup you see all over social media? These poles make it easy. They allow you to hang outdoor string lights without drilling into walls or relying on fences and trees. The result is a clean, professional look that instantly transforms patios, decks, and outdoor gathering spaces. Number 14. FORIOUS Kitchen Faucet with Pull-Down Sprayer. Originally $49.99, now $39.96. Sometimes the smallest upgrades make the biggest difference. This modern faucet features a pull-down sprayer that makes rinsing dishes, cleaning sinks, and filling large pots significantly easier. It looks premium, functions smoothly, and costs far less than most kitchen renovations. Number 13. Amazon Basics 12-Sheet Cross-Cut Shredder. Originally $55.64, now $49.72. Identity theft is expensive. Preventing it doesn't have to be. This shredder can destroy sensitive documents, old bills, bank statements, and even credit cards. It's one of those practical purchases you may not think about often, but you'll be glad you have when you need it. Number 12. WITHY Stainless Steel Cat Litter Box. Originally $55.99, now $49.99. Cat owners know that odor control is half the battle. This enclosed stainless steel litter box helps contain smells while remaining easier to clean than traditional plastic alternatives. The spacious design gives cats plenty of room while helping your home stay fresher and cleaner. A small upgrade that can make a surprisingly big difference. Number 11. HYSEYY Double Rod Clothes Rack. Originally $49.99, now $36.98. Running out of closet space? This rolling clothes rack instantly doubles your hanging capacity. The dual rod design provides room for shirts, jackets, dresses, and more, while the bottom section can hold shoes, storage boxes, or accessories. At 26% off, it's a practical solution for anyone dealing with an overflowing wardrobe. And now we're entering the top 10 deals. This is where things get really interesting. We still got smart home upgrades, travel essentials, home organization favorites, and of course the massive 72% off deal that's been waiting in the wings since the beginning of this video. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next. Number 10. OLANLY Front Door Mat. Originally $59.99, now just $39.98. A front door mat might not sound exciting, but hear me out. This oversized mat traps dirt, mud, moisture, and debris before it gets tracked through your house. It's durable, highly absorbent, and designed to handle constant foot traffic. At 33% off, it's a simple upgrade that helps keep your floors cleaner and your entryway looking better. Number 9. VEKJ Sleep Earbuds. Originally $129.99, now only $35.99. And now we're getting into some truly impressive discounts. These sleep earbuds are specifically designed for side sleepers, making them far more comfortable than traditional earbuds. Listen to white noise, relaxing music, audiobooks, or podcasts without bulky headphones pressing into your ears. The best part? They're discounted by a massive 72%. That's the biggest price drop anywhere on this list. If better sleep is on your wish list, this deal deserves serious attention. Number 8. GE Too Slow Stainless Steel Toaster. Originally $59, now $49. Every kitchen needs a reliable toaster. This one delivers even browning, wide slots for bagels and thick breads, and a sleek stainless steel design that looks great on the counter. It's one of those appliances you use almost every day, making this Prime Day discount easy to justify. Number 7. PicStart 10.1-inch digital picture frame. Originally $69.99, now $47.46. This is one of the most thoughtful gifts on the entire list. The bright display showcases hundreds of photos, and family members can send new pictures directly to the frame from their phones. For grandparents, parents, or anyone who loves staying connected with family, it's a gift that keeps updating itself. And at over 30% off, it's a fantastic value. Number 6. Collapsible Heated Foot Spa. Originally $59.99, now $39.98. After a long day, few things feel better than soaking tired feet in warm water. This heated foot spa delivers a relaxing at-home spa experience without taking up much storage space. When you're done, it folds down for easy storage under a bed or in a closet. Comfort, relaxation, and a 33% discount all in one package. Number 5. Tastetel Mini Hot and Iced Coffee Maker. Originally $49.99, now $39.96. Coffee lovers are going to appreciate this one. This compact machine brews both hot and iced coffee in just minutes, helping you skip expensive daily coffee shop visits. If you're spending $5 a day on coffee, this little machine could pay for itself surprisingly fast. And thanks to its compact size, it's perfect for apartments, dorm rooms, offices, and smaller kitchens. Number 4. Bluetooth Karaoke Speaker Party Set. Originally $58.49, now $41.98. Want to become everyone's favorite host? This portable karaoke speaker comes with 2 microphones, making it perfect for parties, family gatherings, game nights, and backyard events. The sound is loud, clear, and portable enough to take almost anywhere. It's entertainment that keeps paying for itself every time friends come over. Number 3. WoofiGo N60 Pro Gen 2 Webcam. Originally $39.99, now $34.99. Whether you're attending Zoom meetings, creating content, streaming, or taking online classes, image quality matters. This webcam delivers a much sharper, clearer picture than most built-in laptop cameras. It also includes a privacy cover giving you extra peace of mind when you're not using it. A small upgrade that can instantly improve your entire setup. Number 2. The Lamau 2-Tier Under Sink Organizer. Originally $64.99, now $51.29. Let's talk about one of the most neglected spaces in any home, the area under the sink. Most people have cleaning supplies, sponges, bottles, and random household items piled together in complete chaos. This organizer transforms that clutter into an organized, easy-to-access storage system. It's practical, affordable, and one of those purchases you'll appreciate every single day. And finally, Number 1. Bonzer Outdoor Patio Curtains. Originally $62.98, now just $46.98. If you're looking to upgrade your outdoor living space without spending a fortune, this is a fantastic place to start. These patio curtains add privacy, reduce harsh sunlight, and instantly make your backyard, deck, or patio feel more comfortable and inviting. The soft fabric creates a resort-like atmosphere while helping you enjoy outdoor spaces throughout the day. At 25% off, it's a surprisingly affordable way to give your backyard a premium look.